Now let's see what Wallis theorem says. Now here we have 0 to pi by 2 integration and sine raised to mx here, cos raised to nx over here. Okay, this equals to this sine raised to mx, you decrease one power, means you decrease, if it is 7, then 7 minus 1, you write 6, means if it is m, you decrease 1, means m minus 1. Okay, from this m minus 1, you decrease 2 successively till you get 2 and 1. Okay, here means m minus, if I decrease 2 from here if I decrease 2, then m minus 3, from here if I decrease 2, then m minus 5, till you get either 2 or 1. Okay, this is the contribution for sine mx. Okay, what about contribution for this into? Okay, you can say second bracket, I will write over here, into, similarly same over here. Okay, you decrease from n, you decrease 1, means n minus 1. Okay, keep on decreasing 2. Okay, here means n minus 1, you get n minus 3, here n minus 5, till you get 2 or 1. Okay, upon here m plus n. Okay, you add the indices m plus n. From this you decrease 2, here m plus n minus 2. From here also you decrease successive, from here also you decrease 2 successively, you will get either 2 or 1. If you have 2 or 1, you have to stop at that particular number. Okay, into z. What is z? Okay, what is z? Z is defined as pi by 2 instead of z into z. Instead of z, pi by 2 will come if both the m, okay, m and n are even. Okay, remember both should be even. Okay, if one even, one odd, or one even, doesn't work. Okay, z equals to 1 if otherwise. Let's take an example. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine of 8x and then cos of 4x dx is equals to, here remember this formula, from this 8 you decrease 1. Okay, from this 8 I am decreasing 1, means I am getting 7 over here. From this 7 keep on decreasing successively 2 till you get either 2 or 1. Okay, so from 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so I have to stop over here because I have 2 or 1, means I have to stop over here. This is the contribution for sine 8x. Okay, into contribution for cos 4x is what? From 4 decrease 1, means I have 3. Okay, I have 3. From this you keep on decreasing. Okay, 2, here 3 minus 2 is 1. I have to stop over here. Okay, because I have 2 or 1. Upon here 8 plus 4 is m plus n. Here m plus n is 8 plus 4 is 2m. Okay, here keep on decreasing 2, 10, here 8, 6, 4, 2. I have to stop over here. Okay, into, instead of z, what will come over here? Okay, now here this 8 as well as 4 both are even number. Okay, so pi by 2 will come. Okay, you solve this, you will get this answer. Okay, now what about integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx? Okay, sine square dx is, I can write 0 to pi by 2 sine square x into cos of 0x into dx. From these 2 I have to decrease 1, means 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now I have to stop over here. Okay, but over here 0 contribution is nothing, we have 2 plus 0 is, we have 2. See, 2 also even, 0 also will consider as even. Okay, in the indices. So since it is even, so pi by 2 will come here. Okay, so pi by 2, therefore it is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is the required answer. Okay, if it is like this, for example, if it is sine cube x. If it is sine cube x, let's see. Here a cube will come. Okay. Here 3 is there. So what we have to do is, here 3 means 2. Okay. 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 we have to stop over here because either we have 2 or 1. Okay. And then here in denominator 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay. And then you decrease 1, decrease 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 over here. We have to stop over here. Okay. But over here this is odd. Okay. This we have odd. Okay. So only 1 will come over here. Okay. For in order to come pi by 2, both these indices should be what? Should be even. Okay. Then pi by 2 will come. Okay. So 2 by 3 is the required answer. Okay. So I will give some generalized from for only sine raised to nx as well as cos raised to nx. Now I will give you generalized from, if it is 0 to pi by 2, only you have sine of nx, or if you have 0 to pi by 2, if you have only cos of nx. Okay, here we have n, we have nx. Okay, this equals to, this will be n. Okay, here will be, if it is n, you have to decrease n minus 1. Okay, keep on decreasing 2, n minus 3, n minus 5, and so on, if till you have either 2 or 1. Okay, n, so decrease n minus 2 from here, decrease 2 over here. Similarly from here also decrease 2 till you have 2 or 1 into, here z we have, let's say, into p. Okay, what is p? Okay, p, below p will come pi by 2 if this particular n, okay, if this particular n is even number. Okay, if n is even. Okay, and then 1 otherwise. Otherwise means if it is odd. Okay, so I am generalizing from this formula to this formula. Everyone can find easily. So let's take an example for this. To pi by 2, say sine of 4x dx. Okay, is equals to what? Sine of 4x dx is, here sine 4 is there, decrease 1 means 3. Okay, keep on decreasing till you have either 2 or 1. So here 3 minus 2 is 1 we have to stop over here. Now here 4 will come, exact 4, decrease to 4 minus 2 is 2, we have to stop over here. Okay, here what is 4? 4 is even, therefore pi by 2 will come here, pi by 2. So here 3 pi upon 4 for the 16. Okay, this is the required answer for this.